So in the 10-20-60, 10-20-70 kits, uh, the front strut part here has got a bit of an offset to that. And the reason we put that in is the McPherson strut front ends, they tend to go a little positive camber as you lift them. And so what we're doing with this offset is we're changing some of that positive camber back to where it needs to be. The other parts for the front end that we use are these sway bar link extenders, which effectively make the sway bar link shorter. The sway bar links go up to the strut instead of down to the control arm. So when we lift the truck, we have to make them shorter. The hardware with it is right there. Going to the rear of the vehicle, we have these rear spacers. The rear spacers have got some little notches in them for our ease of manufacturing. And then we have the rear shock extension. So if you have this Ford Explorer, you can run a 265/65/18 tire on it, which is like a 31.5. I think that you're going to find that the front spring basket is the limit for how much tire you can put on your vehicle. Some people can probably get more crazy with some wheel spacers and stuff, but we have not tried that ourselves. Installation time, you can expect it to be 3 to 4 hours. The front's fairly straightforward. The back has got a multi-link rear end, so it's more complex. And the ride is just like stock. We don't change the spring tension. We don't make it stiffer. It works great. Now, the original kit we developed was for the two-wheel drive. It's 2 inches front and rear. And when we got to the all-wheel drive, we found that we had to lower it down to 1.5 inches in the front, or else we'd get a vibration. When the Timberline edition came out, we learned that we can run the 2 inch in the front because it has better axles. So that's your information. Like always, it'll need an alignment once you're done lifting the vehicle. Every time you lift any vehicle, you have to align it.